Class 10 Political Science. Topic: Federalism. Federalism. Federalism is a system of government in which the power is divided between a central authority and various constituent units of the country. Two levels of federalism are: central government, union, role, governs the entire nation; state governments, role, manages affairs within a specific state. Key features of federalism: written constitution, a detailed, supreme law outlining government structure, powers, and responsibilities for all levels, providing clarity and stability. Rigid constitution, difficult to amend, especially regarding power distribution. Supremacy of the Constitution. The Constitution is the highest law. Independent judiciary, a neutral court system, like the Supreme Court, interprets the Constitution and settles conflicts between central and state governments. Bicameralism, a two-chamber legislature, example, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha in India, ensures both popular representation and regional state representation. Decentralization, division of powers. Powers are clearly divided, legislative, executive, financial, between central and state governments, each with distinct domains, creating dual polity. We know that the power is constitutionally divided and shared between central and regional governments in the federal system, but for a unitary system, power is concentrated at the national level. Let's see their differences in the feature of authority, subunits, flexibility, and see some examples. Unitary has central authority. Central government holds all power. Federal has shared. Power is divided between central and state government. Unitary subunits implement laws. Federal subunits have independent powers. Unitary is efficient but less locally responsive. Federal is flexible but complex. India, USA, Australia is an example for federal system. UK, China and Japan have unitary system. Federations are broadly categorized into two main types by formation. Coming together federation, where independent states uniting, like the USA, giving states more power and holding together; federation, a large country dividing power, with the central government often stronger, like India. India is a federal country, but its constitution, in Article 1, declares it a union of states, rather than a federation. Initially a two-tier system of central and state governments with divided powers, union, state, concurrent lists, was established. For example, the power of union list includes defense, the power of state list includes police, power of concurrent list includes education. Where both union and state have powers. Later the amendments in Constitution included local self-government, panchayats and municipalities, as a third tier. Union territories. Union territories like Lakshadweep, Chandigarh, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands are directly administered by India's central government through an administrator or lieutenant governor, acting as the president's representative, while Delhi and Puducherry have elected legislatures, but the center retains significant control over key areas like police and land. Federalism in India. Federalism in India is practiced through the following constitutional and political arrangements. Constitutional arrangement. This includes division of powers, residuary powers, independent judiciary, bicameralism, single citizenship and constitution, etc. Political and administrative arrangements includes three-tier governance, decentralization, linguistic states, which was created after 1956 to reflect language and cultural identity. Interstate Council was established to facilitate consultation and coordination between the center and states. Language policy is that no national language declared and states can use their own official language. There are 22 scheduled languages in Constitution. Hindi and English are used by Union government. Decentralization in India. The 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1992 strengthened decentralization and democratic functioning at the grassroots level. The amendment includes mandatory regular elections, which mandates that panchayat elections must be held every 5 years. Three-tier structure established a uniform structure of panchayats at the village, intermediate, block, and district levels. Reservation of seats to ensure inclusive representation. It mandated the reservation of seats for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in proportion to their population. Gram Sabha as foundation. The Gram Sabha, consisting of all registered voters in a village, was recognized as the cornerstone of the Panchayati Raj system, encouraging direct democracy. The three-tier structure of rural local government, known as Panchayati Raj in India, consists of the Gram Panchayat, village level, the Panchayat Samiti, block Panchayat, intermediate, block level, and the Zilla Parishad, district Panchayat, district level, functioning as grassroots self-governance for development, planning, and service delivery. Sarpanch is the elected head of the Gram Panchayat. The head of the Panchayat Samiti is elected by the members of the Panchayat Samiti. The head of the Zilla Parishad, district council, is called the chairperson. Gram Sabha includes all adult registered voters, those on the electoral roll, for a specific village or ward, and it monitors Grama Panchayat. Urban local governments include municipal corporations, for large cities, and municipalities, councils, for smaller cities, towns. The head of the municipal corporation is the mayor. Local governments provide crucial benefits by bringing decision-making closer to citizens, fostering direct participation, and ensuring more responsive services like schools, sanitation, and infrastructure, leading to better tailored solutions. Video by Anand Mohandas.